Today was such a powerful event. I feel so emotional, I'm overwhelmed, and now the time for talking is over, the time for action is now. Orlia Flynn has just brought forward a new piece of legislation, a suicide prevention bill, that's currently been sent out to all community organisations. Anybody that works front and centre with the community has had an opportunity to fill in a survey. We're encouraging people to participate in that. However, what I believe on a personal level is that we should be listening to grassroots organisations and building from the bottom up to try and make the necessary changes that need to happen. Hopefully this legislation will help. I know from my own experience that I suffered greatly with my mental health, and the answer to that was give me medication. That didn't help. My new script has always been to call for more funding for the arts. The opportunities to heal are there. Listening to Professor Pat Bracken today, we know there's another way of doing things. We know there's a better way. So we know that funding such programmes as the creative writing or the rest of the story, it brought people from all backgrounds together. See, ending that isolation, giving people the opportunity to tell their full story. Your story isn't just what your mental health issue is. It isn't just what your health battle is. There's so much more to every individual. But whenever we look at our stories and we examine who we are and why we are in the position that we're in, there's often reasons for that, and looking at transgenerational trauma is a massive issue in this society. I don't think we look at that elephant in the room enough. You look at the system at the minute, how, for example, legacy survivors are being treated, and I find all of this leads to poor mental health. Poverty is a massive issue. If we address the root causes of why people have mental ill health, it gives people the opportunity to thrive rather than just survive, and that's what those writing groups, they bring people together in a way that transformative healing happens by accident nearly, and it's just a wonderful, wonderful way to bring people together.